Hey guys, Mike here from Pre-Approved, and today we're going to teach you how to build your milestone templates. Milestones are updates that you want to send to your customer, to your realtor, or any interested party in the transaction. The way to set up your template is to go to your settings down here in the lower left, and then select company or personal settings. So again, if you're a branch manager, you're trying to establish milestone template for your company, select company. Or if you're just a loan officer, you want to handle it for yourself alone, just click your name there. In this case, I'm going to edit the company templates and go to loan templates here. You'll see where it says milestone, and you can edit the default milestones. Now we have 13 by default that we use. This is a pretty traditional mortgage process from pre-approved all the way through closing of the transaction. And then of course, I've got some great looking test milestones here. You can rearrange any of these milestones by grabbing this and moving them around. You can edit the milestones by clicking the little pencil. Okay, so you can build a new title, you can add a description. Now, pro tip, milestones really should be used as ways to educate your customer on what's happened and then what's next. So spend a little bit of time identifying what questions your clients might have as the result of an updated notification, for example, letting them know that their appraisal was in. A client might want to know, did it come back at value? Were any repairs needed? When do I get a copy? Etc. If you can get in front of those, and in the appraisal received or whatever milestone it is, you can build some language into the description, you can eliminate a potential phone call or email from coming to you while empowering your customers to understand what's happening in the transaction. So it's a great idea to just make sure you're clear with your language in these, and also that you're not committing to too many milestones that your team won't actually send out. Now, when you send your customer an invite to the mobile app, or they've applied online and they've downloaded your app, or your realtors have shared your mobile app and they see this list of milestones, there is now an expectation that they're going to get these updates. So make sure that you built internally into your process a way to trigger these. Okay, whether it's manual or through an integration with your LOS or CRM system, doesn't matter. You need to make sure that this happens consistently. Otherwise, if you're not into milestones, just eliminate that widget or tool from the system altogether and let your current process, your CRM, whatever it is, do the heavy lifting. Now, we have a lot of customers who do use CRMs. They integrate that with us so that one change in our system or in the CRM system will update us. And the reason why that's important is because we have the ability to send out different types of notifications, right? So your customer's got your mobile app on their phone. They're going to be checking that on a daily basis to look at the loan status. And it's important to have kind of an accurate, up-to-date record on your phone, on their phone, I should say, letting them know what's going on. It also becomes a very common place for your realtor partners to look for updates. So, milestones, I cannot state this, more, but it is super important that you build a milestone set that you can commit to leveraging every transaction. You will see happier customers, more referrals from referral partners as a result of doing this consistently. Okay, so this can be edited just like I said. Check this box, boom, boom, boom. If you need to delete them, just delete them. It's real simple. Now, there'll be another video to explain how you can customize these milestones even more deeply. For example, completely customize the emails, customize the messaging and the text messages, or leave a ringless voicemail. So a lot of power here to be had. And again, likely that we can integrate this with your LOS system or with your CRM, depending on what you're using. If you have questions about that, please reach out to us. As always, you can get help or support from the chat down here in the lower right. In the meantime, if you have any questions, reach out. Take care.